Who's looking for a move-in ready home in Lake Elmo? We're close to shopping, easy access to 94, pickleball courts right down the street. As far as inside, we've got 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, a walkout basement, and a wet bar. Let's head inside and let me show you the rest. As we make it inside, we've got the main floor office with double doors, large foyer area that leads into the kitchen where you've got granite counters, nice large island, white cabinets with slow close uppers and lowers, and stainless steel appliances. Heading this way, we've got the living room area, so we've got a nice open concept, gas fireplace, custom built-ins, and I love these big windows that overlook the pond as well. Finishing off, we've got the dining area here and access to the large no maintenance deck. Finishing off the first floor, we have another little office area, powder room, and access to the garage. Making it to the top of the landing and to the left, we've got the very flexible loft area. And to the right here is the primary suite with the walk-in closet with custom built-ins. Another thing I want to point out is these big windows getting tons of extra light and views of the pond. This way is the ensuite bathroom with a soaking tub, shower, and double sinks. Finishing off the second level, and we have the laundry room, bedroom number 2, bedroom number 3, bedroom number 4, and a full bathroom. Making our way down to the lower level, we've got the light-filled family room. We also have a walkout, wet bar area, full fridge, bedroom number 5. Yes, we've got 5 bedrooms in this house, another full bathroom, and workout area. So what do you think? It's a beauty, isn't it? If you'd like to see it in person, let me know so I can get you inside. Also, if you're thinking of selling and want it featured like this one, reach out to get the conversation rolling. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.